Today we celebrate Bob Marley Day, the legacy of a true legend, a musical prophet whose words continue to resonate across generations. Happy Bob Marley Day, my people. Bob Marley's music transcends boundaries, uniting people from all walks of life with messages of love, peace, and unity. Through his iconic melodies and profound lyrics, he became a voice for the voiceless, a beacon of hope in time of darkness. His spirit lives on in every chord, every beat, reminding us to stand up for justice, to embrace each other's differences, and to strive for a better world. As we groove to his timeless tunes today, let's honor his memory by spreading love and positivity wherever we go. One love, one art. Let's get together and feel alright. Bless up on yourself. Happy Bob Marley Day.